purple sweet potatoes, uvas, regular sweet potatoes, all the seeds we own. We have Albion strawberries. We have flamingo strawberries. We have Eversweet strawberries. We have radish, daikon radish. They're now to seed and drying out. Yeah. So much. Oh, and in a true chaos mashing, I wasn't paying attention to ADHD. And I had soaked some peas with some okra, with some beans. My intentions were to separate them. Clearly, I did not get to that. But our baby bubba okras, our collards, our peas, our beans and all are doing great. There's more tomatoes on that hill, among other things. Whew, y'all, listen. Over here, I don't ask me what we got. We got beans from the store. We got strawberries. We got marigolds. We have zinnias. We have more beans from the store. Right here, we have Georgia Southern collards. And under it, we are rooting elderberry in the shade because that's the best way for it to go without struggling. See, look at them babies go. They look a little bad, but watch they root. Watch them. All right, we got lemon balm and more collards, volunteer potatoes, dwarf Siberian kale, wisteria, African daisies, bops, all kinds of lemons. We have, what are these called? These are called, I can't think. They're not powder blue either. I'll tell y'all in a minute. But Brightwell blueberries, nice size blueberry. We got lemons, trees of all types, figs, both brown turkey, Celeste, and Violet d'Artois. We got chaya, Mexican spinach tree. We have 1,000 head kale. We have more strawberries because we are cover cropping everywhere and planting strawberries everywhere. And again, maniac leaves. We, of course, have beautiful things, too. We have powder blue blueberries, pink lemonade, truly tiny blue bananas. We have dwarf Cavalier bananas. We have, of course, pineapple sage for days. We have more strawberries, more volunteer sweet potatoes, volunteer we got volunteer everything. I can't even think of nothing right now. Marigolds and brassicas, and we even have awesome Spanish Cuban oregano, and yeah, I could do this all day. Dwarf kales and mustards and mints. This is a no-dig bed with radishes and all kinds of stuff we just threw. It's looking good. We got mustards and more collards and broccoli and brassicas and dandelion heads and peppers and motherwort and mugwort in these beds. Elderberry, more lemon.